Happy morning, everyone. Uma Mahesh comments to pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Present here. I am Harshavardhini. Today I am going to tell about APJ Abdul Kalam ji. So guys, I want to ask you one question. Can you guess the special of this day? Yes, it is World Students' Day. World Students' Day is celebrated on October 15. We honor the birth anniversary of APJ Abdul Kalam ji, India's former president and a renowned scientist and educator. He inspired many young people to pursue their goals and contribute nation building. And on this day, they will be giving dedication of APJ Abdul Kalam ji to the students and his passion to the education. On this day, they will be honoring our APJ Abdul Kalam ji and promoting education and innovation and recognizing the role of a student, inspiring perseverance of a student. And our APJ Abdul Kalam ji's message is that hard work and perseverance is even in the face of challenges is a key theme of day, and this inspires our students to view failure as learning opportunities. That's all about our APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Thank you. Have a zing amazing day ahead. Myself Bhavna from Grade-VII Topaz. Now I am here to deliver a speech on trigonometry. Friends, do you know who invented trigonometry? Yes, trigonometry is invented by Hipparchus. The word trigonometry is derived from three Greek words: tri meaning three and gono, which means an angle, metron means measure. The basic task of trigonometry is the solution of triangles. It is a study of relationship between sides and angles of a right angle triangle. It uses trigonometric ratios, sine, cosecant, tangent to solve practical problems such as measuring the height of building without direct measurement. Study of trigonometry is more important in several fields such as navigation, engineering, etc. In recent times, trigonometry is applied in many branches of science and engineering, in seismology, astronomy, etc. In trigonometry, we will be having so many angles, example complementary angle and supplementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then it is known as complementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then it is known as supplementary angle. Thank you. Have a trigonometry day ahead.
Good morning everyone. I am D. Harshavardhan. Today's weather forecast. Maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Humidity 69%. Precipitation 20%. Wind speed 13 km per hour. Partly sunny. Thank you. That's the end of the news bulletin.
Good morning to everyone. I am P. Siddhartha of Grade-VII Topaz. Thought is brought to you by. Happy morning everyone. My name is B. Siddhartha of Grade-VII Topaz. Thought. Intelligence without ambition is a bird without wings. I will repeat it again. Intelligence without ambition is a bird without wings. It means how a bird cannot fly without wings. A person without hard work and dedication will never succeed in their life. Thank you.
I am G. Ranjay from Grade-VII Topaz. Here to brought you thought. Word. Rhombus. A parallelogram with four sides that looks like a square that is leaning over. I repeat it again. Rhombus. A parallelogram with four sides that looks like a square that is leaning over. Friends, please spell after me. Rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S. Rhombus. Thank you. Have a nice day.
On math, GK questions are brought to you by Navya from Grade-VII Topaz.
Question for grade 7. What is the 15% of 200? Yes, you pick the right answer. The answer is 30. Let us all appreciate them. Question for grade 8. What is the pi value approximately?
3.14.
I repeat my question. What is the pi value approximately?
3.14.
Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 3.1416. Question for grade 9. When Pi Day is celebrated? Yes, you pick the right answer. The answer is March 14. Let us all appreciate them. Open question. Where was abacus invented? Yes, you pick the right answer. The answer is China. Let us all appreciate them. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, we are the students of Grade-VII Topaz, here to share with you news bulletins. I am Sri Charan, international and national news. International news. India is a great country said by the top by Donald Trump. International news. Ashwin Vaishnav says that the first bullet train will be operational by the August 2027. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. Today, state news and sport news is brought to you by Grade-VII Topaz. State news: Telangana pollution controls what International E-Waste Day. Sports news: Cricket ICC Test match. India wins their second Test match between West Indies in Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi. Thank you.